To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Now begin to deepen your breath, allowing your body to relax with each inhale and exhale. Inhaling, allowing your chest to rise, followed by your lower rib and belly. And exhale, belly, lower ribs, and chest. Again, inhale, chest rises, lower ribs, and belly expands, holding for just a moment at the top. And exhale fully out your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, bring your awareness to the present moment. Allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or distractions and simply be here in this moment. Now visualize a warm, golden light surrounding you, radiating from within. This light represents your genuine desire to connect with others and cultivate positive relationships. Take a moment to reflect on the people in your life. Think about the qualities you admire in them, the moments of connection and joy, and the time that you spent together. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery. This garden symbolizes the fertile ground in which relationships can grow and flourish. As you continue on your journey of cultivating positive relationships, remember to embrace the trait of curiosity and wonder. Approach each interaction with a sense of openness and genuine desire to learn from others. Just as a child explores the world with wide-eyed wonder, allow yourself to be curious about the experiences, perspectives, and wisdom that each person you meet has to offer. By fostering a mindset of curiosity, you open yourself up to new possibilities and insights that can enrich your relationships and deepen your understanding of the world around you. So as you engage with others, let curiosity be your guide, leading you toward meaningful connections and opportunities for growth. Now allow yourself to feel appreciation for these relationships, however small or significant they may be. Next, focus on the art of active listening. As you practice these principles, envision yourself engaging with a beloved family member or cherished friend, extending the warmth, curiosity, and genuine interest that you would share with this cherished person, fostering a deep and meaningful connection. Notice how you give them your full attention. Imagine yourself listening attentively to their words, listening to understand rather than respond. Witness how you hold space for their story to unfold. Now visualize responding with empathy and understanding, and watching them light up in appreciation for the fulfilling exchange. Now visualize your heart center as it begins to swell and glow in response as you receive as a result of giving your full attention. Bask in the beauty and glow of this exchange. As you continue to breathe deeply and remain centered, think about the importance of showing genuine interest in others. Imagine yourself asking meaningful questions, seeking to understand their hopes, dreams, and concerns. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and openness, allowing each interaction to be an opportunity for connection and growth, and to absorb the wisdom that's all around you. Anticipate the journey ahead with eagerness and excitement, knowing that the world is full of this wisdom and interesting people to explore and learn from. Now consider the following affirmation. I carry the warmth of genuine interest and the embrace of curiosity in my heart, fostering deep connections with those I love and cherish. With each interaction, I honor the wisdom and uniqueness of others, enriching my relationships and nurturing my soul. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling grounded and centered in your intention to cultivate positive relationships in your life. Inhaling, allowing your chest to rise, followed by your lower rib and belly. And exhale, belly, lower ribs, and chest. Again, inhale, chest rises, lower ribs, and belly expands, holding for just a moment at the top. And exhale fully out your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, gently and softly open your eyes and return to the space around you. Carry this sense of connection and empathy with you as you move through your day, knowing that by practicing these principles, you can truly win friends and influence people in a positive and meaningful way. If you enjoyed today's content, please consider giving it a like or share or subscribing to my channel. I can't wait to see you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.